How to hide likes on Instagram. Would you like to hide the number of likes on your Instagram posts? I'll show you how. Before we begin, make sure your Instagram app is updated. If it's not, update it to have the latest version of Instagram. Open Instagram. Click on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Click on the 3 lines in the top right corner. In the menu, select the Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down to the Like and Share Counts option. By activating this option, other profiles won't be able to see the number of likes on your posts and reels as well as the number of shares. Click on the button next to the Hide Like and Share Counts option. Note that this option will also apply to threads if you use it. That's it. Like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel.